Purr. I was napping. But this news was too wild to ignore. MEOW-9. On the air. First up on the scratching post. QuadRF can spot drones and see Wi-Fi through my wall. Purr. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. Snail's teeth beats spider silk as nature's strongest material. 2015. Purr. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Sharpening my claws on this next story. The tech of Terminator 2 feet in oral history. 2017. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. Switching pause here. Because this next one is wild. GPT-5.6 Sol Ultra produces proof of the Cycle Double Cover Conjecture. PDF. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. This hits different when you have 4 paws. New York City to become first in US to ban deceptive subscription practices. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Unlike me, who hits everything off every surface. MEOW-9 out.